Listening to Spanish audiobooks is one of the best ways for beginners to learn Spanish. It's also great practice for intermediates. You can use them to hone your skills while exercising, commuting, running errands, relaxing around the house, doing chores, and so much more. To help you out, we've put together a list of the 25 best free Spanish audiobooks for beginners, which you can see here. There's also a link in this video's description. These audiobooks are completely free with a free trial of Amazon Audible. We also have a list of the best Spanish audiobooks for kids, which you can see here. Spanish audiobooks will be very useful for a beginner learner. You can go at your own pace. You can hear and see words that you are learning in an engaging and real use context. And, you are far less likely to get bored or discouraged. With audiobooks, you can listen whenever you have a few spare minutes, making the best use of those pockets of time during the day that would have otherwise gone to waste. You can even use audiobooks to learn Spanish in the car. We hope that you enjoy this list of the 25 best free Spanish audiobooks for beginners, and good luck learning Spanish.